it's Emily on the channel where I do it myself to save money. Today I am going to show you how to remove a ceramic towel bar, the kind that's plastered onto your drywall from decades and decades ago, that does not have a screw or anything to be able to remove it, and you basically have to pry it off your wall and then you have to repair the drywall. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's get started. All right, I am going to try and remove this towel bar, the old ceramic kind that is basically plastered to the wall. What I'm going to do first is run a blade around the edge. Whoops. That's all right. We are going to be painting this bathroom anyway. And we'll have a lot of patching up to do. I imagine I'll have to patch up this whole section. All right, now that I have scored that, I'm gonna take a chisel and try to loosen it that way. All right, so I've gotten my chisel in there. It's definitely loosening it. It is pulling up some of the paint that was around it. Like I said, we are gonna repaint in here anyway and patch up, so that's totally fine. Now I think I can just probably, yep, just gonna pull this off. There we go. One side is off. I'm gonna work on the other one now. All right, now I just think I need to spackle those and then I'll have to sand it so it's ready for paint. Okay, so we have our towel bar holder bracket off, and you can see there's still like caulk from where it was attached, and it's kind of just ripping into the paper of the drywall that's here, and it's pulling up paint. We're going to get all that off because if we try to spackle over that, it's not going to look good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get that little bit off. So now I have some spackle. I'm going to just put it on here. Not too worried about it being nice looking right now because I'm also gonna put some fiberglass tape on that. All right, so here's the fiberglass tape. I'm just kind of gonna lay that on there. It's gonna stick because that spackle is wet. All right, so we've covered that with fiberglass tape. I'm gonna push it in there. It's not a clean job. And now I'm gonna spackle over it. Okay, I've put some spackle on there. Now I just need to spread it out. And again, this is gonna have to be sanded and probably spackled a couple more times to get it nice and smooth. So I'm not too concerned about it looking perfect right now. All right, there that is. We're gonna let it dry. Okay, so our patchwork where we've patched up the damage to the wall has dried. And now I'm gonna take this wall sander, it's kind of got like a screen on it, to smooth out that patch before I put another layer on. Okay, now it's ready for another layer. All right, so I've sanded this down and put another very thin coat. All right, there we go. Now we'll let that dry and we'll do a little bit of light sanding and then it'll be ready to paint. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.